we're just gonna give it a nice mist. And then we'll give it a few minutes. It will continue to warm up what we just sprayed on it. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Mighty Bliss heating pad. I did purchase this product, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product and you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here, walking you through some of the key features for this heating pad and the pain relief that it offers. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual here walking us through important safety instructions as well as our tech specs and care and maintenance. You can see right here we have 3 different temperature selections, low, medium, and high with different indicators and a chart showing us how long it takes to heat up. Keep in mind at the maximum temperature, the high setting, it sets to a limit of 176 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. And they have their customer service and contact information right there. Next, you can see the heating pad itself. Let's go ahead. Let's unfold it right here. Check out that nice large size. Very comfortable. We can look at the other side too. And we have our cleaning instructions. Really soft. You can see our standard plug, and we have our low, medium, and high control settings right here with our power button, and you can see auto off with the Mighty Bliss logo and branding. Now let's go ahead, let's plug it in and try it out. So we have everything plugged in, let's go ahead, powered on. You can see we have a green indicator light here for the low heat settings, followed by an orange indicator light for the medium heat settings. Then we have a red indicator light for the high heat settings. We can go ahead, we can press the power button again, that's gonna shut everything off. Now let's turn it on to our low heat settings. We'll come back after 6 minutes and see how warm it gets. So it's been over 6 minutes now since the pad's been on. It's warm to the touch, it's definitely not hot. Let's flip it over, let's feel the other side. This side feels a little bit warmer. Let's go ahead, let's take some temperature readings now. Let's see the max temp that we get. Currently we're showing we peak at around 101 degrees, 102 degrees on the back side. And on the front, it's definitely not as warm. Let's see our max temperature over here. We're peaking at around 97 degrees Fahrenheit on the front and 102 on the back. So now we've had it on the medium heat setting for over 8 minutes. Let's see how warm it is with our temperature gun right here. So let's see what our max readout is. Currently, we're peaking at 103. Should get maybe a little bit warmer on the front. But we're in the high 90s, low 100s right there with our max of 103.6 degrees Fahrenheit for the front. Now let's look at it from the back side. It's definitely warmer to the touch. So we'll see what our peak is. We're getting very similar results. We have 106.8 degrees Fahrenheit as our max temperature, around that high 90, low 100s for our medium heat settings. So now I've had this on for over 10 minutes. Let's see the results. It definitely feels nice and warm. It's not going to be 176 degrees Fahrenheit on the outside, so keep that in mind. That's just going to be the internal temperature rating. So we're showing very similar results on the outside. We're in the low 100s right here on the front side. 104 is our peak so far. Now let's flip it over. Let's see what sort of results we get. So we'll move it around. 110. It definitely seems warmer on the back. We're getting higher averages. 104, 103, 108. So you can see we've maxed out at 113, actually 115 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also use this as a moist heating pad, so you can blot the surface with a damp cloth or sponge, or you can use a spray bottle like you see right here. We're just gonna give it a nice mist. And then we'll give it a few minutes. It will continue to warm up what we just sprayed on it. We'll spray on the other side too. But obviously you're really just gonna use this on one particular side if you want to have that moist pad with it, kind of giving you that spa treatment. That's what it reminds me of. But you can get this wet, like I said, with the sponge or a damp cloth or a spray bottle. Just don't submerge it and soak it in water. So let me share through my final thoughts after using this heating pad. Here's what I really like about it. The size is great. The controls are really simple and intuitive and easy to use. But with that being said, there are a couple things I want to see changed. The first one is I really wish that this heating pad got hotter. So internally, it may get up to 176 degrees, and obviously that's going to be super hot. It'd probably burn you if that was on your skin. But this does feel like it just mutes the heat a little bit too much. So I wish that it got even hotter. So that's the biggest thing I'd want to see changed. The second option is maybe some sort of portability. That would be really cool if there was a way that this could be powered 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes at the hottest heat setting without being connected to the wall, or a combination of some of the ones that are microwavable. If you could have that option too with it, I would love to see that in the future. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.